The solar system, the sky. At night, we can look at the sky and see many celestial bodies. There are different types of celestial bodies, and some are very far away, so we need to look at them through a telescope. Celestial bodies. Stars. Stars are celestial bodies that have their own light. The sun is the closest star to Earth. The sun is very important for life on our planet because it gives us heat and light. Stars form groups called galaxies. The sun is part of a galaxy called the Milky Way. Planets. Planets are celestial bodies without their own light. They reflect light of a star. All planets spin or move around their axes and orbit or go around something else around the star. The Earth is the planet we live on. It spins and orbits around a star called the Sun. Satellites are celestial bodies without their own light and orbit around the planet. The Moon is a satellite that orbits around the Earth. Other celestial bodies. There are other celestial bodies that orbit around the Sun. They also haven't got their own light. Comets are made up of ice and rocks. Asteroids are giant rocks that when they fall to Earth are called meteorites. The solar system. The solar system is the sun and all the planets, comets, and asteroids that orbit around it. The planets of the solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are the closest planets to the sun. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune are the farthest planets to the sun. They are bigger than the other planets and have more satellites. Jupiter has 63 moons. There are also dwarf planets, like Pluto. Planets follow a path when they orbit around the sun. This path is called an orbit. The Moon. The Moon is a natural satellite that orbits around the Earth. It takes 28 days for the Moon to orbit around the Earth. The Moon looks different as it orbits around the Earth. These changes are called the phases of the Moon. The phases repeat every 28 days. This is the new moon, the first quarter moon, the full moon, and the last quarter moon. Movements of the Earth. The Earth's orbit. The Earth orbits around the Sun. It takes 1 year, 365 days, for the Earth to complete its orbit around the Sun. The orbit of the Earth causes the 4 seasons depending on how far the Earth is from the Sun. Spring, it starts on March 21st and ends on June 21st. Summer starts on June 21st and ends on September 23rd. Autumn starts on September 23rd and ends on December 21st. Winter starts on December 21st and ends on March 21st. The Earth spinning. The Earth orbits around the Sun and it also spins around its own invisible axis. This is called the Earth's spinning. The Earth takes 1 day, 24 hours, to completely spin around its own axis. When it is day, the sun lights part of the planet. When it is night, the part of the planet is dark and there is no sunlight.